Hi everyone, Microsoft is building a feature that will allow you to limit the system memory usage of Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 and 10. According to the company, starting with version 125, the default browser for Windows devices will include new resource controls settings to manage RAM usage. One of the constant problems with web browsers, especially Google Chrome, has been out-of-control memory usage, and this relates to Microsoft Edge, because this browser is based on the Chromium engine, also developed by Google. Microsoft has come up with ways to optimize its browser for performance with different features, such as the efficiency mode, to optimize system resources when running on battery, and the sleeping tabs feature, that puts tabs to sleep after some time of inactivity to free up system resources, including memory. However, the company is now taking it one step further with the new resource controls settings that allow you to specify exactly how much memory Microsoft Edge can use. In this guide, I will teach you the steps to configure the memory limiter on the default browser of Windows. Use these steps. First, open Microsoft Edge and click the Settings and More, 3 dots button from the top right. Next, choose the Settings option and click on System and Performance. Next, turn on the Resource Controls toggle switch under the Manage Your Performance section. Next, choose the When Your PC Gaming option to turn on the feature only to reduce memory while playing games, or the Always option to keep the feature always monitoring the resources. Next, you can use the Control How Much RAM Edge Can Use slider to set the browser's RAM limit. Once you complete the steps, the settings will apply to the browser. Furthermore, you will also view the feature working from the Browser Essentials panel, along with the other features.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.